Hola amigos, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Pimientos de Padron. You will say, what is that? That is a very typical tapa from Spain, and you find it in many places, and those ones are peppers, but here I couldn't find it, or I haven't found it similar, but I have found one that are very similar, and they are called here Shishito Peppers. If you haven't been in my channel yet, welcome you. This is Fatima, and in this channel, Fatima Spanish Kitchen, you will find recipes from my country of origin, Spain. Hola amigos, hoy voy a compartir con ustedes una receta, una tapa muy típica de España. Se llaman pimientos de padrón. Aquí en Estados Unidos yo no los he encontrado, pero he encontrado unos muy similares, que son Shishito Peppers, es como se llaman aquí. So that ones are the Shishito peppers. You can find it in some supermarket and sometime in the Oriental market too. Those ones I bought it in Trader Joe's. In another country they will call it another name. In Spain is Pimientos de Padrón. The fun part about them is that some, maybe one, maybe two, maybe none of the packet can be a spicy hot. You know, that hint. But maybe none, so you don't know who is going to take, because outside they are all the same, so you don't know which one will have that hint. So you know, that is fun when you have a tapas and see, you know, maybe the person who doesn't like the spicy get the spicy, and maybe the, you know, that is so fun. So it is a very easy, it's an appetizer, very easy to make. You can use it also for a side dish. That one, the only thing is you wash it really well and pat dry, because I'm going to fry them. In Spain we fry them, I mean, I always fry them with olive oil. Maybe here, you know, try, because I know that someone is going to ask me, maybe, you know, you can use it even in the air fryer or in the oven, but I always have been frying with olive oil. So what we are going to do is to put some olive oil in the pan. So that is like 1/3 of a cup. I don't want to put too much oil, you know, just to cover, and well, a little bit more, just to cover the bottom, because you know that the olive oil expand a little bit. So we wait until the oil get a little bit hot to put the peppers. The oil is hot, so I'm going to add all the peppers. Going just to move around, you know, to keep moving to fry. They have to cook in both sides, and you see how they are starting to wrinkle the skin. They have like to shrink a little bit. When we start, they are more getting brownish, and they have shrink a little bit. Our peppers are done, so just taking out, shrink, you know, take out all the oil and just put it in the paper. I turn off. They're finished. So the only thing I like to do is just to move it, you know, a little bit, so the peppers, you see how is all the oil. So now we are going to use sea salt or kosher salt. Don't use any normal salt. They have to be, you know, the the crunch of the salt. So now we just, you know, put it here and serve it. And we just sprinkle with a little bit of salt, and voila, the tapa is done. And now let's see, I'm going to try one. I hope, you know, because I'm not very fan of the spicy, hot spicy, and always, I don't know, I get always one. My husband loves it, but I'm not me. So you just take it by this, just, that was Mac, our, you know, bird. Just say hi to all of you. I just take it like this. That is good. no spicy. I was lucky. So that is the recipe of today. This is the Shishito Peppers, is Pimientos de Padron in Spain. I hope you have enjoyed my recipe of this week. If you like it, please thumb up and subscribe to my channel so I still sharing with you all these recipes that will help me. And I see you next week. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.